guys, good day, and for today's video we'll be talking about how to customize this new template that I have here. So most of you maybe seen this on YouTube, but you just don't know how to use it or how to customize it. Then now I'll be showing you a very simple and very easy steps on how to customize this intro template. So if you don't have this template or you haven't downloaded it yet, since you just seen this on YouTube, so I can provide the link down in the description below for you to get it easily, or you just download it very quickly. So let's start with the tutorial. So first thing is just open your KineMaster. So most of you I think have this app, and if you don't have, you can download it in the Play Store. So it's free, and the free version for this app is the only difference is there is a limit of the access for the premium version, but still you can use that. Let's start, and now we'll be importing our template, the template that I have mentioned a while ago. So I have exported that one here. So this is the template. Okay, let's try to let me show you the animation runs. Okay, that's it. Okay, so if you have an exact framing for the animation, so you can have to stretch this one, but I'm not forcing you to do the same as what I did. Okay, but this time we're gonna have add layer. It's very simple, guys. So it's just a blending, so only the blending will bring up the beauty of this intro. So I got a lot of pictures here since I keep on editing some image. So I will be looking up for the first logo that I have done. Actually, I have only simple logo, which is only graphic picture of me. So a pixel art of my picture. So I just been consistent for this logo since I've started. I've only used one logo. Okay, we'll stick to the curve or the circle. We'll just put it in the circle, maybe like that. Okay, or shall we say this way until it ends. Okay, just will do it that way. And since okay, and here, so after this animation vanish, we'll also crop our image here. Okay, when this vanish, okay, we'll try to stretch it over to the end. Okay, stretch over it over here. Okay, and just crop this one. This is not useful, but that will matters when you do the animation. Okay, so when it starts to fade, so your logo will slowly create an illusion that is going further. Okay, so this will do like that, and just put it this way, and that's good, and put it this way. Okay, so by this time you can have your text or your name has to be part of the animation here. So for the layers, we'll try to add our text. Okay, so for the text, we're like gonna add the name of your channel, of course. So, but this is just my idea, but you can have any names that you want. So, guys, will be discussing about this KineMaster during my next video, and I'll be giving the link for this update of the KineMaster. Actually, it's not the latest KineMaster that you can see in the Play Store, but as I've seen, so this is a fully customized KineMaster, and this is a free version which access the premium part of the app. So for us who don't want to purchase the premium version for this one, so you can simply use this as free. Okay, so this one, just make it bigger here. Okay, so we'll start the animation here. So when that works that way, So we'll have to move this going there and also going smaller, and until it ends with the smallest. Oh, it has. Okay, and this one, okay, we'll try to, okay, just minus one, and I think we can move this right there. Okay, put it this way or something like that. A very simple name, guys, just for my tutorial. So you can decide actually for your text. For example, I'll be showing you how to add an animation for your, or a design for your image or for this one. So simply we'll add a layers for that, which is aligned to your text. And for the layers, we're gonna be selecting any videos or anything that you may use into overlay style. So let's click for my FX, and for the FX we'll try to look for the animation. Okay, now let's add our animation here. So let's try to select this one. Okay, and for this one we're gonna um, crop this one, so we don't have any trouble in the animation. So, and for the blending, so we'll have this as darken. So for the blending, we'll set it to darken, so it will be on your name. Okay, just search this one. Okay, so let's try to run. Okay, I think we're good to go, but we need to crop this one. So let's try to have cropping, so your logo will not be on the animation. Shape will be square. Okay, again, just click this again and go to cropping, and we have a fade. Okay, so go to crop again, so we have the shape there. Okay, so okay, let's try that one. Okay, let's try. So okay, so we don't have the music at the last part, so that will be fine. So let's try to play the whole video. Okay, but the blending for the image, so we'll have it screen. Okay, so that's it. So let's get back. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this tutorial, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get updated from my upcoming videos. So mostly I'll be doing a couple more of this intro tutorial, since as I observed, so we have a lot of new YouTubers right now who need this tutorial. So I'm doing a lot regarding on this tutorial. So thank you for watching, and God bless.